Hi there, this is George Kosch. I'm the CEO of Worldprofit, and what a fabulous program I'm going to talk to you about and give you a demo with today. It's quite an achievement. It's a website builder, designer, editor, everything, all AI powered with a beautiful user interface. Something that you're going to enjoy because if you just wanted to redo your homepage and just have it your way, that's all doable now. You can edit current HTML. So if you've got a page that you wanted to, have changes and just talk to the AI, it'll do them for you. Lots of options, lots of things I want to show you. So let's get started. All you have to do is click on your AI on your top modern menu, and you can switch to it if you want using down here below. You'll see a button, and it says Website Builder, or down on the left menu. If you go down into Worldprofit AI, it'll say Website Builder. Just click that and it opens in a full screen because you're going to need, some area to do your stuff with. First off, if you want to generate a page that sort of looks like another URL, that's usually what people do. They want to start that way and create something that's sort of close, maybe grabs the text and information off that site to build one. Or you can just say, listen, I want you to create a page for me, basically a prompt, and say I want this on it, that on it, that kind of a thing. I find it easiest to just get some inspiration from another page that I might have, some, using color and things. So say that we just said, you put in here to start one of our landing pages, right? Crazy profits, zero cost.com. And now I've never done this before. I don't know what this page, I think I remember what this page looks like. It's pretty cool. Keep this in Tailwind. Bootstrap's fine. That's just for people that just know about the different ways of creating page. Bootstrap 5 is fine, but Tailwind is really just creates glows and things and nicer buttons and all that. But Bootstrap 5 is also excellent, but it's more for professional look. Either or, it doesn't matter. You could just try both. Okay, so crazy up. I want you to create me a page based on the URL, and let's add that form it shows, and I will edit later. You just talk to this thing. That's it. So let's just generate the site and see what it does. Now again, I just put in some non-technical stuff in there. You can just talk to it like it's a superhuman, that is capable of phenomenal design. And what it's going to do is, if you look on the right, you'll see generating your website. Give it a moment. It's printing out all the code in HTML code that, well, we don't care about, because when we want to go in the preview, we can preview and make some changes there. And then finally, we're going to take that code and copy it, and we can have that on our website because we have an HTML editor that will do that the way I show you. It's very simple. You don't have to do any programming or coding or anything. So you can see we've got this here. Looks like there's an image here. I don't know what that image is. We can just tell it, let's do a new image over there. And there we go. So we've got profile, forge. We can change all of that because you can just change your request and say, the image is not working beside business dashboard, needs to be fixed as it is not showing. And the name should be George Kosch. Let's just say George Kosch Forge instead of Profit Forge. Okay, just a Profit Forge. Okay, so there you go. So let's update. So what I'm trying to demonstrate to you here is we can talk to it. We can, tell it what we want, and it will regenerate the site, maybe pick a better image. You could give it an image URL if you wanted to. There's nothing wrong with doing that. You can say, here's the image I want you to replace, and it can be from your information. So if you do go in here and you say, okay, I want to see the source, You can, if you're pretty good, you can find the image. It looks like it's found some images here. Obviously, that's not an image, so you can tell it, I want to change that image to this new one. And you can go grab an image. That's up to you. You can look in again in the preview and make changes as you wish. You can say, you know, I want this form to be this type of code. So what you can do is, I've got this back to member area that pops up in another tab for you. Okay, so you can go in here and you can say, go to the website, and you can say you want that form to work this way. In other words, you can go here, and that's why I'm doing this video. It's just to help you out, and say, here's what I want you to use for the form. Okay, here is what I want to use for the form, and it's already set for your ID and everything in here. Okay, that 3099, that's my ID. Now let's see what it does. Again, I haven't done this at all. I mean, this thing is right out of the box, so I'm just seeing, you know, can it do that? I think it can. I can't see why not. And then we can, you know, we can use this page. It's going to work. So there it is. It seems to have done it in there. Okay, so also, you know, say that you went in here and because I know how to do this, I could go into, this was a test I did, and come up with an image if I wanted to, right? Like, so you go into the main area here and you say new page, and we'll say a full custom width. You can use this Pixabay images and create an image for a business. You know, and you can search for an image and you can copy it and say, I want to use this image. Copy. Say, let's use this image. Use this image for the, and then what was it called up here? Business dashboard, for the business dashboard area. Dashboard area. Okay, and then you just paste it in and say, this is the one that I want to use, and let's see what it does. Again, I promise you, I haven't done this before, so I don't know what it's going to do. Hopefully it works. This is a temporary Pixabay image too. It's not an image that I don't think it'll last, but there you go. So you can see this is this beautiful little system here, right? Really nice system. And again, you can open and then you can copy the HTML source. So if you go in here, you can see the source, you can copy it. And the best part is now we can go in and with that new page I created, right? So all I did was I just went new page, and we'll do a full width page and say this is my demo, whatever we want to call it. Hit source. Make sure you hit the source button. That's the only thing that, you know, people will have a little trouble with. It won't look anything like the page in the editor, but that doesn't matter because we can edit current HTML, which I'm going to show you too. So if you preview the page, it looks pretty good. Okay, so we got what we wanted. We now have the sign up page. It's completely done. And say, for example, that we reset. Uh-oh, everything's gone. We go into edit code. And we can place that code back in here and ask it to make edits. This also works with any code. Doesn't mean that you can't use it with the code that you had before. Okay, so again, this is a fantastic little system. It's not like the most grand, it's not going to, you know, create you 10-page websites and things like that, but it's sure going to save you a lot of trouble. Like, for example, I had this code that I wanted to change in a section of my new blog that I'm building. Okay, so just bear with me. So what I did was you know, it's all kinds of stuff here, right? It looks kind of, and I wanted to change the name. Now I can see it on my other browser, so I know what it looks like, so I can command it to do what I want, right? So I want to jazz this up a bit with some I don't know, more color. Colors. I don't know. Let's see what it does. So it's going to do the same thing, just with that little piece of code that I put in there. And then when it shows it, you can even put in the box, just show me the code, and then you can go from there. See, because it's waiting for more requests for change. So what we do is we go preview about Worldprofit. Let's put a link at the bottom of this box. The middle box. Can you put a link to georgekosch.com just in the middle box at the bottom? I don't know. Let's see. Again, I haven't done this before. This is all brand new. I wanted to prove how good this is by not touching the thing until I was done. And it's proven to be phenomenal. Like, look at that. It even put the little icon up for me. Folks, I don't know what else to say. This thing is pretty phenomenal. Okay, I plan on maybe making some changes to it, adding some to it. I might change some of the colors, but right now this thing is absolutely awesome, and it will be part of our upcoming blogging system. Website management, like I said, you can do it. Just make sure you pick template number 2. You can do updates and things. And again, you could take this whole source code right here and just copy the whole thing and paste it in and say, let me see what we got, and then go from there. Okay, so this is absolutely cool. This is available to all members, silver and platinum, of course not associates. But if you are an associate watching this, look in the description, get signed up for Worldprofit. Come on and take a look at what we got, because this is just a fantastic piece of software for stuff that I've needed for years and years. I've wanted an AI to help me with just little pieces of code, create sites, etc. And our website management handles it just fine. I could make this page my main page, right? I could go in here and say, okay, I want this to be my default page. And now we have it. So we change, and I say, let's go to my site now, and guess what? There it is. This is now my website. I can add pages to it too. In other words, the features brings down here. You could have go in, edit the code, and say I want that features to link to this page, and you would create a new page and say this is what my features are going to be, and you would list them. And if you're thinking, well, I can't write out stuff like that, go to ChatGPT itself and say, ChatGPT, go to this page. I want you to take a look, and I want you to help me. I want to create an actual full page for features. And it might give you some ideas that you could put into the prompt, and it will create you the HTML code that you can put in place. And it will work perfectly with Worldprofit's website management system, complemented now by AI, Worldprofit's AI designer. I'm going to call it website builder, website designer. Okay, thanks a lot. And if you have any questions, anything I missed, fill out a support ticket. We'll be happy to help you.